Welcome to another reaction video. This video will be looking at HD Massive Freight Trains in Riverside, California by MattCARailfan. It's another one of his requests for me to look at. And so yeah, we'll get right into it. We got the same time-lapse intro from recent videos, which yeah, it's pretty cool to see the sunrise in this one. And yeah, let's just get right into it.
Alright guys, we're back in Riverside.
So you can see it's this Riverside, California. We got these signals. Pretty nice to see these signals there. And also a couple of buildings, some palm trees. And of course the mountains in the background. So pretty decent area.
Once again, as you can see, here are some searchlights that are still standing up here. Most of them are pretty faded looking, and most of them look like they're going to be replaced soon, so that's why I came up here to film some searchlights up here. Pretty nice area as well. Nothing around here. It's just a whole ruined neighborhood around here with tracks. We're next to BNSF and Union Pacific tracks, so this whole area is two railroads, so let's hope there are some trains. So I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Alright, so searchlight signals, yeah. They are pretty old looking. And I don't know if they have any plans to replace them at the moment, but you know, Matt thinks they might eventually replace those. Yeah, it's probably likely. I will say that in Burbank, California, where you have to, right before you get to that split off between the coast sub and Antelope Valley sub, they actually replaced a set of signals there with newer ones. So yeah, it's possible that they might replace those searchlight signals eventually, but let's hope they keep them around for a while longer. Looking west, it's a pretty cool view of that mountain. Got some rocks right there. Alright, and then you can see the railroad tracks right there. So let's just see what is going to be happening pretty soon here. Alright, BNSF Z-WSP LAC, Willow Springs, Illinois to LA. Car count is 190. Wow, you got the the count of all the rail cars there. Pretty impressive. So yeah, this should be a pretty long one. And again, I can already hear the horn. So yeah, let's go ahead and check this out. Alright, we got intermodal with 3 locomotives up front. And pretty nice horn on the H2 locomotive. And yeah, let's just check this out. All right, 2 mid DPUs, one of which is an Ace locomotive, so that's pretty cool. Pretty cool seeing this line of JB Hunt intermodals that are single stacks. And you got some more double stacks and then more single stacks after that. But yeah, I like that. Also, this JB Hunt symbol right there on the left, you can see it's faded out a little bit. At the yellow part of it is faded out. And then let's take a look at that one of these other containers too. Alright, this one you can see it's a bit different. I mean, it's the same logo, but you'll notice it's not like the other JB Hunts, because on the one hand, the JB Hunt square rectangle is larger. And then I don't know if it has the intermodal lettering because it's not visible, but it might be covered by the well car there, by the side of the well car. But yeah, I just thought it was interesting for that to be kind of big like that. And yeah, let's keep going. Alright, no DPUs on the back, but we did end with a line of double stack JB Hunts. It's pretty neat. And yeah, let's continue watching the video. Up next, the BNSF S-LPC LHA Logistics Park, Illinois to Long Beach. Freight car count is 131. So yeah, there you go. Keeping track of the amount of rail cars on these trains. Pretty cool. Alright, so this one is a port container train, and also 3 locomotives up front with an H2 leading, and also has a good horn on this one. So yeah, very nice, and also very cool that we're filming from where the searchlights are. You can see the position, you can see the searchlight signals pretty clearly, so that's pretty cool as well. pretty decent sized train. Bit shorter than the last one, of course, and no DPUs for this one. No mid or rare DPUs, but a good catch nonetheless. And yeah, let's just see what happens for the next clip. Alright, and this time we got UPZLAAI LATC LA to Shreveport, Louisiana, KCS. Only 84 freight cars on this one, so shorter than the last two trains. Also, pretty cool view with the, I believe that's a bridge right there, I'm assuming, with the metal on the sides of the track there. Yeah, pretty cool that we're gonna see it going through there. And of course, nice trees in the background too. That third locomotive is pretty dirty, and it's actually the one that's releasing the most smoke if you look at it. The two other ones aren't really, you can't really see the smoke, but this third unit is definitely pushing it for sure. And it definitely needs a wash. But yeah, pretty cool. Alright, so yeah, you can see the train coming from the other track to merge with the BNSF tracks there. And yeah, pretty cool catch. No rare or mid DPUs on this one either because of the shorter length. But yeah, pretty cool seeing these trains at the moment. We'll see what goes on for the next clip. Alright, BNSF Z-LAC NYC LA to New York. Freight car count is 117. Alright, three good things about this train. The first one, you'll notice that on the right side of the leading locomotive, the N of the BNSF is actually phased out. Instead, we have like this white rectangle that's covering its place. So probably that's a replacement part for that locomotive. The second good thing about this is that we have an H1, and the third thing is that we also have a fake bonnet. So that makes this a very good catch on this train here, with the H1 and the fake bonnet. So yeah, this is a 5 locomotive header, and yeah, pretty cool stuff on this train to point out. So good catch here. Alright, so fantastic catch and fantastic view with the mountain right there as well. And yeah, let's continue watching for the next train. Alright, this time we have 3 locomotives up front, an ace leader with a nice K5 LLA horn. And yeah, let's just check it out. pretty cool seeing this long line of trailers there on this section of the train. I like that. Alright, 2 mid DPUs for this train. And yeah, that was a pretty cool line of trailers there. I thought that was pretty nice. And there on the right side, there's an X-Pacific stack train container. It's now an EMP container. So yeah, interesting for that. Alright, there it goes. Another massive container intermodal train. And we will see what happens for the next clip. Alright, UPILBG4 ICTF Long Beach to Global 4 Joliet, Illinois. Alright, pretty cool. This one came out of the ICTF. And let's just watch it. Alright, KCS unit on this train. But I will say this KCS unit needs a wash as well, because it was pretty dirty. But, of course, a very nice catch with the KCS on this UP container train. I like that sound of the horn as it's going over there in that direction. I don't know about you, but I really like that sound of the horn. And again, very nice zooming on the locomotives there. By the way, I will say that the front side of the KCS looks pretty much cleaner though. Not as dirty as the side. Alright. All right, nice zooming action on the rail wheels as it goes over the track like that. So yeah, you can see that. All right, 2 mid DPUs with a flagless unit right there, so you can see. Number 7345 does not have a flag on its side. So yeah, very nice to see one of those units here on this train. Couplers grabbing together. That's interesting. Coupler slamming. Yeah, I heard that as well. So yeah, as you can see, the train has stopped. And you can see the end of the train right over there to your left. No rare DPUs, but yeah, it looks like this train had to stop. So yeah, we'll see what happens for the next clip, and I don't know if the train's gonna be there in the next clip or not, but we'll see what happens.
What? They haven't even cleared the crossing and they just stopped.
Bruh moments right there. I don't know. The only thing Matt needed to say was bruh on this one. That would have made this so funny, but I feel like for the people waiting at the crossing, it's like bruh moment. They're just like, the train was about to clear and then it just stopped. All right, well, interesting things do happen sometimes.
That is pretty weird.
And yes, who knows what happened to the train? It had to stop or something, but it was doing pretty good on speed. So sorry for the pause there. I did have to cut the video, but we're back right where we left off. And so yeah, definitely a bro moment for the people at the railroad crossing, like I was saying. And yeah, let's just see what comes after this. I don't know where we're gonna go as far as the video.
And they haven't even crossed yet, so I'm not sure what they're doing. cars are just turning back all the way down there. It hasn't even cleared yet. We'll get more updates, so see you guys in the next clip.
Huh. Did not expect to hear that audio there, but yeah, there you go. We have that for the reaction video. And yeah, I'm sure those cars drivers getting impatient, but this typically happens whenever I see trains stopped at crossings. They do the same thing. But anyways, let's continue the video. Moving again, slam. Yeah, there goes the couplers. And here we go.
Here we go, they're moving again. Very slowly.
Yeah, very slow start for sure. So yeah, let's just see how long it takes this thing to clear.
And another train is coming in, as you can see. There's a camera pointed over there.
Oh yeah, I see the lights over there in distance over there. So we're going to be catching the next train right over there. We will see what that's about in just a moment.
See the light. Well, as the CP departs beneath the BNSF train, so I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Alright, so there's the end of that train, finally. And now we have the BNSF S-CHC SEO C0 Illinois to SoCal Docks Long Beach. You can see the ditch lights over there in the distance still, but it should be coming pretty soon here. Alright, so Norfolk Southern trailing on this train, which is awesome. And he also got a friendly horn salute from the engineer, so that's pretty cool. And this train does have pretty good speed. Alright, so fantastic catch here. I like the horn salutes, and let's keep watching. Oh, by the way, rip people who are still waiting at the crossing, because due to the other train having stopped and proceeding slowly, now they had to wait for this one too. I mean, I don't know what the people must be saying over there, but I don't think they were too happy about another train coming. But yeah, let's keep watching. hey, there you go. That one went pretty fast. And yeah, cool. And car drivers are finally happy. You can see that if you look closely over there, you can see the gates going up finally over there. So yeah, it's looks like a couple of people there. Yep. All right. So their chance is finally there to finally go across the tracks. And let's watch for the next train. Up next, the UPA-MLEPR, Mira Loma, California to El Paso, Texas. This one does have a freight car count of 81. So good job tracking that. And let's watch. Alright, so I let the clip play a little bit so you could hear the horn. But yeah, it's an awesome train horn for the leading locomotive. 2 UPs up front. And so far it's an auto rack train. Let's see if there's anything else. Alright, so that is the end of the auto rack train. So yeah, just auto racks on this one. And no DPUs in the middle or the back. So just 2 UPs on this one. But yeah, pretty cool. And we have reached the end of the video, so alright, you are welcome for watching, and yeah, overall, pretty good amount of train action here. I mean, Riverside is a busy spot for trains. This is the main line, and yeah, pretty cool stuff. These were definitely massive freight trains, pretty long ones on this one. And yeah, so that's the end of the reaction video. Thank you very much for watching. I like the H1 and fake bonnet combo and a couple other goodies in this one, so I'll leave it to that. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you for the next one. So peace out.